How to make your ads run for free. Have you seen all those little shiny, sparkling, blinking squares on the add to cart pages that a lot of coaches and freelancers are using? We call them bumper orders. If you want your ads to basically break even and run for free and bring you more and more and more clients into your business basically for free, it's almost impossible to achieve that with your course. And that's not because your course is not good enough, it is because you're not the only one selling courses. The coaching industry is the biggest industry online. You, my friend, are competing against the world. That's why you have to create bumper orders, 2 bumper orders minimum. And if you want them to work, you better make them easy to digest digital products. Bumper orders can bring you that additional revenue on the front end of your business funnel, not marketing or sales, business funnel, and make all your advertising make sense. Because most of coaches, they're stopping their ads because they're not profitable on the front end, completely destroying their business in the back end. Bumper orders will make your ads run free.